Hey, happy Halloween! I want to introduce one of my favorite little trees, the Stewartia japonica. So it is a native of Japan. As you can see, beautiful fall foliage. This little guy is probably 12 feet tall, 15 feet tall at this point. Because of COVID, I haven't been active in my garden as much as I should, and today I'm going to rectify that by edging the garden around the tree, pruning up the limbs a little bit at hubby's request, because it gets in his way when he mows the lawn. That's our chore for today. My favorite hand hoe. At this point, I think I'll stop, get out my pruners, and do a little pruning and open this space up a little bit. Because the ground is moist, it'll be easier to plant bulbs in here, and I might just load up this area with bulbs for the spring, and then I can always move them later on. When you edge is to really make that cliff-like cut. A sharp edge helps to maintain that edge so that the weed grass roots don't go through it. I'm going to plant some bulbs under this ground that I've already cultivated. Sadly, it looks like it's already thrown up one blossom. Here comes another one. Maybe we can get this in the ground and hydrate it and get it to bloom. Always a good idea to put some fertilizer in the planting hole. Look, those little things. It's always a good idea to point up and base down, but sometimes when you're getting to the end of your rope and you're really tired, they'll find their way to the top.